we're just going to show you a little collection of our crystals and rocks and jewelry pieces, some stuff that we've collected throughout the years, and actually some of it we've just started collecting. The first thing after we looked into it, I used to make bracelets and necklaces and stuff like that out of hemp. This, I don't know, we think it may be tiger's eye. It is a necklace piece that I have, so that would be the first thing that we have. Other than that, Adam had some towers, and you'll see those later on. Our first unboxing, I would call it, is going to be from the Crystal Garden in Evergreen, Colorado. Adam, if you want to tell them a little bit about Evergreen.
Evergreen's a nice town, about an hour and a half outside of
Selenite is what that is.
Denver. And people usually visit there year-round to shop. There is some skiing there. In a nice little town. During the time we were there, we were able to
do many things, like right in town. Some hiking right in town too.
On Halloween.
So this is selenite. It's for a collection for newbies. This right here is some clear quartz, and it's also a necklace piece. And we've got tourmaline black. This is also a necklace piece. We've got a little tiny piece here of clear quartz. And then I got a bracelet here, and it has clear quartz, rose quartz, and amethyst in it. I haven't wore it yet, but I'm about to put it on here soon. We are getting ready. We're showing you all these crystals because we're gonna smudge them with sage, just to cleanse them of all their negative energy. So the tourmaline black, that was one that was there, and those are just little pieces of paper that I can tell you more about the crystals a little bit later. This one's an amethyst necklace piece, and this one is a rose quartz that's coming up. It's a rose quartz little pendant and whatnot. And
earlier in life, when she made the bracelets and necklaces, we very rarely even bought any glass pieces of beads or pendants. Most of it was plastic and synthetic, but in the last few years we've been getting more and more into the natural elements of the earth, such as rocks, crystals, and gems. Geode. Heart and higher chakras. This is a piece of a geode. Usually they're cut in half. Kind of neat looking piece.
so the next thing I'm going to show you is some green aventurine, and it's got two little pieces here of them. We have the amethyst on here, and the adventure green, and the calcite, and these little pendants: rose quartz, clear quartz, amethyst, and the black tourmaline. And that one I believe is it's dipped in silver, so it's nicely polished.
A little geode here.
Amethyst pendant, and clear quartz pendant, And this bracelet is the amethyst, the clear quartz, and the rose quartz.